Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Akahilz Tube. So apparently these are today's headline on cryptocurrency on Coinmarketcap. So we have total market cap 1.43 trillion is in favor. 24-hour volume is good, is in good shape. We have notable movers in good shape. Notable movers DeFi, DODO, they're in good shape. But the thing is that Bitcoin dominance is a little bit low as of the way it's supposed to be. Then for Bitcoin price, we have $34,321. Ethereum price is 2,146, and this as of Ethereum was heading towards 2,300 as of some days back, but the price now is $2,100. So hopefully that this new week it will be better for them. It will be better for the cryptocurrency. So we have today's headlines. We have the headlines here. It says Bitcoin could fall to $10,000. So Bitcoin is a risk of falling down. Is at risk of falling down to $10,000, according to GM Investments Chairman Scott Menard. Speaking to CNBC, pointed to how the crypto market tend to crash by about 70 to 80% after 18 new all-time highs. So such a pattern was seen in 2017 and 2018 when BTC went from $20,000 to just $3,545. Wow, I never expected this part. So the next one here on our list is said, can BTC cope with El Salvador? The Bitcoin network could come under huge strain when El Salvador adopts the cryptocurrency as legal tender. JP Morgan has warned. So the bank says daily payment activity in the country would represent 4% of recent on-chain volume. However, Bitcoin's liquidity could be a significant limitation on its potential as a medium of exchange. So guys, that's the one from El Salvador. But meanwhile, the Coinmarketcap campaign is still ongoing. So there's still a Bitcoin prediction where you make prediction on the next country that is going to make Bitcoin a legal tender in their country. So they reward users with 10 they give users 10 diamonds on Coinmarketcap for just predicting. So if you become a lucky winner that you win, you'll be receiving rewards or prizes as regards prediction. So they are just engaging people or users, crypto users on Coinmarketcap platform. So you guys, I'll be dropping all the links in the description below so you can check them out. So we have which crypto mining farm found. Say a large underground crypto farm has been discovered in Ukraine where 3,800 PS4 consoles were being used to mine digital assets. He estimated that more than $260,000 of electricity was being stolen every month by the crypto farm. All of this created a risk that local residents could suffer power surges and outages. Wow, that's massive, guys. So Nifty's launches new marketplace. So a new marketplace has been launched that aims to bring crypto collectibles to mainstream audiences. Nifty.com has entered into a partnership with Warner Bros. To create limited edition NFTs from the upcoming film Space Jam: A New Legacy. Characters from the movie are going to be available in 2D, 3D, with 5 levels of rarity. So guys, these are the news on Coinmarketcap today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be dropping the link so you can read more on these updates. But we have here top 5 gainers and okay, there's Bitcoin next there. So guys, one love. See you in our next upload. Goodbye, keys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, guys. One love.